So first I'll be using the primer from Mass Cosmetics, and it does give nice effect on your face, but it is kind of running, but it is silicone based primer and does work a lot on oily skin tone like mine. So I have open pores on my T-zone area and on my cheeks as well, so that's why I'm going to cover it here and here as well. It is affordable and it is like totally worth the money. That's it. So next is this color corrector from Mass Cosmetics. So this is kind of a very like all-in-one kind of product. You can use it to cover your dullness, redness, dark spots, anything that could be. As you can see, I have white spot here. I don't know why it has come. It is because of the vitamin deficiency, as doctor said it to me. So I'm going to cover this white spot with a darkest shade in the palette, and I'm going to take this one because I have been using it and it is kind of working for me. So I'm going to take a little amount of it and then dab it on my face just like this. It has covered a little bit, right? So the more I apply, the more coverage it will be for me. So that's why I'm doing this. We need to wait for 2 to 3 minutes for this to dry. So now I'm going to use the same palette to cover all the dark spots on my face. So I'm going to take the orange shade on this, just like that. So this is how it looks. So I have it over here, a little bit here. Now I'm going to even this out with my finger itself, because when I do it with brush, it is kind of looking harsh on my skin tone. So that's why I use my fingers to blend it out. So also I have dark circles under my eyes, so I'm going to use the same palette, just like this. So again I'm going to use my finger to blend it out. So I'm going to use this shade under my eyes. This part of the area doesn't suit my skin tone, so that's why I'm using this one. But if you have medium or fair skin tone, then this might suit you a lot. So I'm just going to dab it like this. Yeah. I would definitely suggest you this product, and it's kind of affordable also. You can see the link in my description box below. So now comes the foundation, which I really love. So this one is from Cups and Lashes in the shade Golden Tan 305. And I really love this product because I have been using this for more than 2 to 3 months, and I had a really good experience with this because I left it for about 8 to 9 hours and wonderful performance. So I take little amount of it and 1 drop on each side. And also don't forget your neck, because if your face is of different color and if your neck is of different color, then you might look different. So that's it. So I'm gonna dab it like this all over my face. Some people said that this kind of method doesn't work sometimes, but it is kind of working for me, and I'm doing this for years now and it has given me nice results. So that's why I'm using this method since then. If you have different methods, then you can try those. So I have covered everything on my face. So I'm using the foundation brush from Mass Cosmetics. I'm just blending here. It gives such a smooth texture. This foundation works really well on my skin tone. Since I have white spot, I'm going to be very careful on this side and just dab it like this. But if you have dark spots or white spots on your face, then you might have to apply this foundation double layer. As you can see, my skin is matching with my neck. So now comes my favorite part, the eyebrows. You can see the condition of this palette is really bad. I have used it like anything and it has been more than 4 months, I guess. It does stay for 8 to 9 hours till you just wash your face. It is really waterproof, smudge proof, and everything that is possible for me to have this product. I'm gonna just use a little amount of it. I've used the brown shade, so I'm just gonna do it like this. As you can see how defined this one looks compared to this one. That's it, we are done. So I'm going to use the compact powder from Sean Cosmetics. This one is also very good product. You can use it to set your face, or if you have oily skin tone, then you can definitely use this product. So I'm gonna dab it on my under eye area most. So now that we are done with our base, we will be doing our eye makeup now. So the palette I'm using is from Mars Cosmetics, and here how it looks. So I'm going to be using this shade here, this one. This one kind of a very good shade and matches to your skin tone also, and gives a very natural look on your eyes. So I'm using this one. So as you can see how natural it looks. Now I'm going to apply this shade on the outer areas of my eyes. So I'm going to apply this shade on my inner crease area so that it brightens my eyes. So I'm going to apply this shade on my inner crease area. Just like this. So now I'm going to use the glittering part from Mars Cosmetics. So I'm going to use this shade. So I'm gonna dab it like this. Little amount is enough. Now I'm going to use the eyeliner from Cuffs and Lashes. So now I'm going to use the mascara from Lakme. So this is how it looks. I'm going to use the blush from Tipsy Beauty. I'm going to use this highlighter from Mars Cosmetics. So it has got 5 shades of highlighter, which gives a very natural effect on your face. So I'm going to take the upper 4 of it. This is again from Mars Cosmetics in the shade Dine Out 20. This one kind of suits to all brown skin tone girls, and it reflects like anything, and it is kind of so beautiful shade. It is waterproof and smudge proof as well. So I'm gonna outline my lip area first. That's it. So I'm gonna spread it like this. So now I'm going to use the setting spray from Mars Cosmetics. It is a wonder fixer and does work a lot for oily skin tone girls. Do try this out. So I'm just gonna shake it first and spray it all over my face. So I'm just gonna add my jewelry and we'll come back. So I'm done. You can even apply any kind of hairstyle like this. It will look really good on your face. So this is kind of a simple hairstyle that I'm doing right now, or you can use any kind of hairstyles. You can just leave your hair like this. I will show you. If you like my makeup tutorial, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It will really help me a lot, and thank you so much for supporting me and making it to 5K subscribers. Share with your friends and family, and we'll meet in the next video.